Hello everyone, so if you want to hide and hide applications on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all open up your settings. Now in your search tab, right here at the top, you're to type hide. Now choose your hidden apps variant, and here you have a list of the applications which you can hide. For example, let's hide our Spotify. Simply tap on the switch near it, and now it's hidden. Let's also hide our TikTok. Now open up your home screen, and we can find our hidden apps by performing a two-finger gesture, just like this. And here are our hidden apps, so you can access to them. And now if you wanna make your applications visible again, it's quite easy to do so. Once again, open up your settings. Once again, search for hide. We got our searching history, so press hidden apps and simply tap the switches near them so they go gray. If they're going gray, they should be back on our home screen. And here they are. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.